Hey bosses, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new, so make sure you subscribe, and if you're an oldie, thank you for coming back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna try to attempt to slay this unit on my head. How does it look? Let me know down in the comments before you watch the video on how it looks. It looks cool on camera, but I went through a whole lot to get this unit. As you know, I'm not a professional. I'm still a beginner after all these years, still trying to finesse this wig thing. I'm gonna get me a new unit to figure it out. But yeah, it looks cute. I didn't do my makeup in this look. If you would like to see it, leave a comment down below. I used a few new face products and your girl looks beat. Like, I was sick of these braids through the summer, but it was hot. It was a hot ass summer, but we about to transition into fall. So I did this look and I semi-slayed this wig. If you want to see how I achieve this hair, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey bosses, so let's get started. I'm using this wig cap today. My hair is already braided, straight back. I got it done at the salon. I'm just gonna apply this cap onto my head. I will not be doing the bald cap method in this video. If you would like to see me do the bald cap method, let me know down below. And as you guys know, I am not a professional, so this is the wig. It got a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. All the details of this wig will be listed down below. This is by Urban Junglist. She actually installed this wig for me a couple months ago, and now I'm reinstalling it because those braids had to go. So I'm just matching it up, making sure it fits on my head properly. And then what I'm going to do is take alcohol on the cotton pad and take off the excess oils that's around my hairline. And I'm going to be using the Cruelty-free freeze spray and the Cruelty-free glue for this install. So I'm going to just apply it in sections, the spray first and then the gel. And I'm using this little fan that I got from Amazon to speed up the process. And I'm gonna do this all over. So sit back and relax, and I'll see you after I get it in on my head. So my memory card was full, so the only thing I did, because this wig is tricky, is just spray down this side, I believe, and then sprayed it one more time and put the scarf on to lay down my sides. Because this wig, I don't know, I'm not a professional, it doesn't really fit my head. So like where my sideburns is, there's a lot of hair because I have a lot of hair on my head, if you've been watching my videos. So it's hard to lay the sides down, but I did my best. But I'm gonna wear it down, so you're probably not even gonna see it, but I tried my best. So I had this wrapped up for like 10-15 minutes while I erased my memory card and did all that good stuff. So let's get back into it. gonna do my makeup and style my hair and come back and show you the finished look. So I'm back, guys. I did my makeup and I curled my hair. If you want to see this makeup look, let me know down below. I was trying a few new things, so I just didn't want to come on camera and to be looking all crazy, but it looked good. Your girl looked good. And as y'all know, I'm not a professional. My hair looks crazy. Crazy. This wig was giving me a run for my money, but we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna finesse it regardless because I'm about to go out and I need this done. So what am I gonna do first? I'm gonna take off this little elastic band. And I don't know where I got this, y'all. I got this in probably like from a wig or the beauty supply store. Ooh, it's looking crazy. Does it show up on camera how crazy it's looking? It's looking crazy. So what I'm gonna do so it don't look too crazy, I'm gonna take like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this brush from Little Techniques and my Studio Fix powder because it's not blending that well. I'm gonna just take the powder and kind of like dust it in my hairline a little bit. Ooh, that made it look worse. So you know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna take the bronzer that I use. I use the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. This is an OG, but OG, and I still use it. I'm making it look worse, y'all. Where's the brush I used to bronze my face? And I'm just gonna kind of like bronze my hair. It looks a little better. It looks a little better. It looks a little better. Unless you up close and personal, you can't really tell. And then I'm gonna take these pin curls down. This probably look crazy, y'all. I was pressed for time. These pin curls probably look crazy, but every time I do a look, it just comes together. It just comes together because I want like an effortless curl. It don't need to be perfect, but I want it semi-curled. I don't even remember if this hair holds a curl well. I'm not sure, but that don't really bother me. And where's my comb? I should have parted my hair before, right, y'all? Now I gotta flatten it. The curls are going all type of ways. Let me spray my face so my part don't look too crazy. I don't want to look all dry and crusty. And the sides never stay down. Like, I just don't know. This side kind of stayed down a little bit, but I always weigh my hair down anyway. And this part, y'all, so I'm plugging in my Infinity Pro, what is this? Hot comb situation. How does it look on camera? I feel like it doesn't look that bad. It look kind of crazy in person, I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna take some of that powder and just run it through my part. Maybe it'll look a little better. And I'm gonna just take a little bit. Did I even turn it on? Nope, I did not turn it on. And everything is scattered all over the place. I don't even know where my comb is that I was just parting my hair with. If y'all see the mess on this table, you'd be like, damn, girl. Where's the comb though? I don't know where the comb went. I'm gonna just take the end of this little edge brush. Just a little bit. That part was lifting a little bit. And then we're gonna blast it just a little bit. I'm gonna just put it on my finger and just a little bit, press it in there. It's heating up. I'm gonna just use this to flatten this part, the roots. I'm not gonna take it all the way down. I am not a professional, y'all. There's not even that much party room on this. I think the end and right here, so I just stopped it right there. Oh, let me turn it up. But it doesn't look that bad, y'all. How does it look? It does not really hold in the curl that well. I curled it like twice already. It's not really holding it. So I'm gonna just leave it that messy look. But it doesn't look that bad, does it? How do I look, guys? I look cute. I look cute. I could have brought this down lower to camouflage my big forehead. I'm gonna do that next time. Do it lower so my sides will be able to hold down. But look at it. It look crusty. Does it look crusty on camera? It looks crusty, right? But we working together, beginners. It's getting hotter. I don't know what else, but I'm gonna close out this video. I hope you enjoyed all the trials and tribulations I had to do this unit. It looks pretty good from a distance. Now don't clock me if you see me in the street just like 6 feet distance, but yeah, it looks cute. I'll leave the details down below. I think this is 16. I think this is 16. It's kind of long though. I think this is 16 Brazilian body wave if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave it down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And like I said, if you want to see this makeup look, let me know down below. I look cute. I look on fleek. I look on point. I look good. So yeah, guys, follow me on my social media and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.